welcome back to a project pan update. This is update number 4. First off, we're going to start with the products that I have used up, and I am super happy about this. I used up almost all of the mascaras. The Rimmel Extra Long Lash Mascara, I was on the fence about this formulation, and the more it dried up, the more I loved it. I believe this is only a $3 mascara, and I am going to repurchase this if they still have it available at my Walmart. Ellie Colors Dramatic Lash Lift and Define. This is just okay. I have a love-hate relationship with Ellie Colors mascaras. It's just okay. So that's on its way out. And loved this. I want a full one, the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Absolutely adored this. Fantastic. Same with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Loved this mascara. I want to purchase in the future full sizes of these mascaras. Fantastic. Last update. This was on its way out, and it's the Ellie Colors Eye Marker, and it's getting tossed today. This was good. Very black, very pigmented, doesn't smudge, doesn't flake, and it was fantastic. I would definitely repurchase this again. A couple hard candy products I used up. I used the travel size of the Perfecting Primer, the 12-hour line reducer, and this did a fantastic job at minimizing pores. If you find this in your local Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up to give it a try. It was very nice, silicone-y, smooth, did fill in pores and lines, and lasted all day long. I enjoyed that. The Hard Candy Long Wear Travel Setting Spray. I already knew that I loved this. It just was a matter of just putting this in here and using it up. It's just a travel size. I already have a full size. Fantastic. So let's move on to the other products. L'Oreal Linear Intense Eyeliner. This is still kicking. This is still working, and it is a felt tip kind of brush style liner. Fantastic. I can tell that it is drawing near its end, so that will be out soon, probably in the next update. That'll be gone, and this will definitely be gone in the next update as well. This is the AOA Studio Fat Lash. I can tell that it's getting more drier, and this is the last mascara I actually have in the project pan, so I'm super happy about that. And I have the Believe Beauty Brow Gel, and once again I can kind of tell that you can feel the sides and how there's less product in there. Once again, the Ellie Colors Auto Liner in white. I barely used this, only a couple times, so I didn't really make any progress on this eyeliner. Eyeshadows. I have the NYX eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and not much has changed here either. It actually was at the bottom of the basket, and I actually forgot completely that it was in there. So that's that. The Maybelline Eye Studio, and we've been working on the silver shade up here, and honestly it looks very similar. I haven't used this in the past month very often. I still plan on using this up, but that is what that looks like. Now lips, I'm almost finished with this Carmex Cake Batter Lip Balm. It's literally like only has a smidge left from here up. I may add in the next update, in update 5, I may add some new items, but I just wanted to work on a few of these some more before I add anything else. So update on the Ellie Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. This is all the last 3 marks. I did not put a 4th mark, only because I have not been using this very often, and it hasn't changed much from mark 3. Same with the Maybelline Nude Lust. I definitely made some progress on this from in comparison to the last update. Because my lip touches the plastic now, and before it did not. So we made progress. Now, last and final things I have to update on are the face items. So I have the Hard Candy Stick It to Pores, and once again I have 3 marks here for the last 3 updates. Did not put a new one because it's literally a hair under mark 3, so I didn't mark that as well. I'm not really feeling this product anymore, therefore, you know, in the beginning we made quite a bit of progress, and I'm just at a standstill with this product. It's just okay. It doesn't perform like it used to, and I just my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, there is all 3 marks, and actually, because this was a new product I introduced, this is the last 4 updates. So that's the second one, third one, here's the 4th one. And if the product on the side leveled out, I'm assuming it would be around here. So that is so close to being done. The Ellie Colors Radiant Foundation, also a newcomer in update 2. So update 2, 3, and 4. And this update, I'm assuming if all the product leveled out, this is right around the area it would be. So we are almost done with this as well. It's so satisfying to see that bottle clearing out. Such a good foundation as well. If you've never tried it, it's really good. Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Now, this is the first mark I put on this, and if it was leveled out completely, the powder is at that line. And I think the last month I have pictures to show was about up here. Before that, it was about half. So, made some decent progress on this product. It's almost gone. Base powder, my AOA Studio Perfect pressed powder in Porcelain. I actually really love this. The last update, you'll see that there was exposed this hoe, this circle here, and a little bit of the next ring starting to poke through. And now we are here. We're on just outer limits of powder, and it's almost gone. I'm so happy. I use this for my brow bone and sometimes setting the under eye area, but most often the brow bone. If I was using it all over my face, this would already been gone. It's too light for me to do that, but I'm happy with the progress I have made. And last and final Project Pan update item I have, the Rimmel Cake Coral Glow Blush, Highlighter, and Bronzer Trio. And I have made some progress. Even the blush now at this point is starting to dip down, and it really wasn't before. So I've made some progress on the blush. The bronzer has a lot more pan exposed than the last update, and you'll see that in the picture. And as far as the highlight goes, same thing. A lot more of the pan is showing now, and we're on the outer rims of product, and it's starting to get harder to pick that product up. But I've made some great progress on this trio here. That is it, friends, for this updated Project Pan number 4. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more updates. And I really hope that this inspires some of you to start your own Project Pan within your own makeup collection. Thank you guys so very much for watching.